So when we do this, this would be an example of whenever we're blessing an offering. Before we bless an offering, we remove obstacles. So wherever it says in the stone, blessing an offering, inner offering, outer offering, we start by saying Om Kana Rei Hum Pe. So we would take our left ring finger, gently touch, or at least pretend to touch our inner offering, and then flick. We flick, touching our thumb and ring finger together. We flick out with our palm down. So we're dabbing, flicking out with our palm down, flicking out with our palm down. Right?
With the left and right as you have it.
Exactly. So you're always doing that with your left. Yeah. So you'd always be doing that mudra with your left. Whenever we do Om Kana Rei Hum Pe, palms down, it's ring finger touching then thumb and flicking out. Right? Flicking out. So the idea of this is that you're removing obstacles. So this is different than when you're offering something, right? So then when there's sometimes we offer the inner offering, right? Then in that case we're using the same thing, using the inner offering, but our hand is going to be up because we're offering it. So we're going to touch it with our ring finger, same thing, but we're going to offer up. We're then offering up like this because it's an offering practice. So we say we're offering the inner offering. We would be touching with our left ring finger, and then we're offering up. Okay. Sometimes you'll see an additional flick 3 times of that ring finger. That just symbolizes the 3 meanings of the inner offering: wisdom nectar, long life nectar, medicine nectar. Right. So sometimes there's that little flourish some people do. Okay. So this is just a really basic one related to Om Kana Rei Hum Pe. Sometimes we'll be dispelling obstacles with that, flicking down, right, like this. Or if in the same sadhana, saying offering the inner offering, we'd be touching the inner offering and going up, right, and going up. Okay? So then the actual offerings, so this is a common one that we do is we make offerings using our hand gestures. So again, most of them are going to be facing up. So there's 2 types of making the outer offerings. There's blessing the outer offerings, and then there's making the outer offerings. So when we're blessing the outer offerings, we're just